Hello traders, Happy New Year to all. We are watching Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Today it's a new year, next day, and market open as a flat opening. 43,300 is the trading range. Previous day selling momentum following today also. After 9:35, market momentum changed to the buying momentum. It's a positive start, a positive day we can say for the new year. So a buy call generated, green color candle open. Buy at 43,328, that is our entry point. Above line or target line. First target more than 100 point, second target 200 point. Red color line is the stop loss line. On daily basis, whenever a candlestick breakout happen, it will automatically generate the calls in live market. During this new year, new day, a new call, that is a positive buy call generated. After 10 minutes completed, market started to move in the bullish momentum. 43,450 range got breakout. During the first 5 minutes, as you can see, market traded at entry point range only. Then market started to slowly moving into the positive style. During this time, it break out the first target range. In 11 minutes of the buying momentum, the buy call reached the first target range. If you want this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. By subscribing this chart, just watching the video, like you are watching the video, you are going to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. You can do manual trading as well as auto trading also. If you want to subscribe for it, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.